with all that stuff clogging that up. I'm sure that's not the case, but it almost looks like you could walk across there.